Hi everybody, today I want to talk about the last activity that we are doing in this week about the third old man's tale on the eighth night. The third old man's tale on the eighth night is about the story of his meal. His wife has turned him into a dog when he returned home and saw her in bed with a slave. After he was restored to human form by the butcher's daughter, he asked for a magical water from her to turn his wife into a mule who accompanies him. I have learned the moral of the tale is justice and forgiveness. It means that bad person was transformed into an animal instead of being killed. His wife committed adultery and turned him into a dog. When he discovered her infidelity, then she was casted a spell to be turned into a mule, as she did on him, and her punishment for adulterous behavior. I look at it through the lens of justice and forgiveness because the transformation in the story serves as the punishment and justice against evil people by turning them into animals, but they are still alive. So at the end of the story, the miracle is happened thanks to three old men. The demon agreed to set the innocent merchant free. In other words, we can say if the demon insists to kill the merchant, his son would not be alive anymore. So from this story, it reminds me about the parents that found forgiveness for their son's killer through a restorative justice program. We can watch a YouTube how they got interviewed for it. Yeah, at this time, right.
It is extraordinary you've now forgiven the three men who killed your beloved Christopher, but did you always feel that way? Well, for me, it was a journey I had to go on, and we were both very angry and raging. It took me about a year to get my head around even thinking about that, but I realised in the end that it was setting me free, not allowing them, but allowing me to go free. So I chose, and it is a choice, to do this. So how did it first come about then? Who suggested it? Where did the impulse
I did.
You did?
Yeah, believe it or not, that morning coming back from hospital after being Christmas body, I said, as Christians we need to forgive the boys. We can't repeat or tell you what I said. We can't, but I looked at those two ways. Yes, my faith. Another way was it was a fight that shouldn't have happened. And I don't think those boys set out that day to go and kill Chris. They were high and drinking drugs that night, and it's the drug dealers and the people that sold them that drink that murdered my son, as far as I'm concerned.
So you explored the process of justice, and with the help from the appropriate authorities, found yourself face to face with the people who took Christopher's life. And I wonder if the idea of forgiveness is one thing, but seeing them, I mean, that's hard, isn't it?
Yeah, but restorative justice is not about forgiveness. It's about getting answers. A lot of people think I had to forgive to do RJ, restorative justice. You don't. It's getting the answers to questions. Why did you burgle my house? Why did you steal my car? That's the important thing. But it can lead to forgiveness.
So for you, asking those questions of them helped you to understand in a way?
Yeah.
Is that part of it?
Well, the 3 meetings, 2 meetings was 4 hours, and one meeting was 3.5. And in those meetings, we got the truth. One young man said I was on a victim awareness program like what you do in the imprisoned. And from that day to this, I can't get Chris out of my head and out of my heart. And every time he mentioned Christopher's name, he touched his heart. And then he said, I was a 15-year-old coward. I murdered your son. I'm sorry. We waited 11 years to hear that. It was in court, all we got was lies, wasn't it?
When we walked away from the Old Bailey after the court case all those years ago, we knew that we got justice for Chris, but we never got the truth. And we needed that truth. Many victims need, why me?
So in this video, I saw that the mom shared when she forgives the killer, it is also allowing her to go free. So and I have read another article from John Garvey, the president of the Catholic University of America. He said forgiveness can lead to healthier relationships, improve mental health, less anxiety, stress, and hostility, lower blood pressure, fever symptoms of depression, a stronger immune system, improve heart health, improve self-esteem. So my overall reflection on this tale from the 1001 Night is the transformation of a human into animal instead of killing, the forgiveness of the demon to the merchant, and the forgiveness of the king to woman. It makes me think that better kind of justice must be thought as justice with forbearance. If human is acted as the demon or the king in demand blood for blood justice, more people will be killed and everybody will be always in anger. So I think difficult society ruled by impulsive tyrants, but the real world ultimately governed by benevolent God. That's it. Thank you. Bye.